Uh, it's about 25 degrees here in the garage. So working on the car. I'll give you a little progress as to where I'm at right now, and then we'll go from there. So I'm getting ready to put the transmission back in. I got it back. Luckily, there were only some minor issues. I did have a reverse manual valve body installed in it from A&A Transmission out of the US. And then we'll go from there. If you notice, one of the things that I did get, and this is off Amazon, okay, is to hold up the back of the engine. So what I did have underneath was a floor jack with a piece of 2x4 underneath the oil pan and lifting the back of the engine up. So I'm hoping this little unit will help me out a little bit, so that this way, if you notice with the wing nuts, I have a little bit of adjustment that I can move the engine up or down a little bit while installing the tranny. So we'll take a quick look underneath and see where I've progressed so far. So we are ready to install the transmission. So this is 727 still, out of a 68 now, the case is. All my internals have been put into this case and a reverse manual valve body installed. So that is a TCS converter, 3400 balloon style converter. TCS is a company from Burnaby, British Columbia. So if you're interested in checking them out, go to their website. So they make some pretty primo items. And when next you see this, it'll be in the car. So stay tuned. All right, the transmission is in. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. So, yeah, it's a struggle, but got her all in. I've got the drive shaft loop back in. The transmission is in place. I have the rear end back in, and the housing. So she's full of oil, ready to go, and pretty much gonna call it a day. Yeah, I'm pretty much bagged. So I'm done. Little sweaty, and it's about 28, 29 degrees in the garage. So, but a lot accomplished today. So it's been about 7 hours, 6 hours in total since I first started. But yeah, so thanks for watching. The only thing I'm waiting on now is a axle yoke, which nobody in our city had in stock. So I had to order one from the US, and I ordered it from Mancini Racing. And so it should be here in 4 to 5 days. So it'll be another week before I get her out on the road anyway. So, but everything is ready to go, and we'll see from there. All right. Well, thanks for watching.